Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can add more things or the, the ways you can do it for your website so that your website is SEO optimized. So one of that way is HTML tags. So today I'm going to show you how you can edit one of the text box or paragraph or text heading, whatever it is from your website, so that you can edit and set it HTML tag wise. So it's like it becomes more SEO optimized and that you can use or that you can lead your page to rank in all the pages you need. So to start with, I have opened one of the editor of one of my website. So this is the paragraph that I have. You can do the same thing which I'm going to show you for any of the text we have on the your website. So as this is a paragraph, just double click on this and select all the text in the paragraph, and just scroll down. And as you can see, just click on SEO and accessibility and choose HTML tag. Just click on this, and here comes the drop down kind of thing, and you can choose enable tag. For now, this is the paragraph. We'll keep it as it is, and choosing a paragraph for this, we cannot choose here this one of the things. But if you have the headings, you can choose these options, which is the H6 from H1 to H6 tag. But now I'm choosing the P tag. So this is how simple it is. So I hope you got it, whatever I taught in this small tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. So I hope you understood this, and please apply these things on your sites as well. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks.